iOS 18 offers a better way to hide apps on iPhone. Hence, you can now keep your private apps safeguarded and away from the prying eyes for enhanced safety. Notably, iOS 18 also provides a separate way to manage the hidden apps on iPhone. In this hands-on guide, I'm going to show you how to perfectly manage all the hidden apps on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Apps. Once again, you have to scroll down a bit and then select the Hidden Apps option. And then you have to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. Otherwise, you won't be allowed to proceed. So be sure to authenticate using your Face ID or Touch ID. On the next screen, you should see the list of all the hidden apps on your iPhone. Now select the app that you want to manage and then customize the settings to your heart's liking. For instance, you can allow or disallow CV access, adjust notifications, and even restrict the access to the Photos app depending on your needs. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily manage the hidden apps on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye.